Okay, just checked into the Wynn and we got upgraded to an Encore panoramic room on the 57th floor. So you come through this kind of large area, got quite a large mirror. First thing is the bathroom. Got a shower, a tub, got double sink vanity, dreaded pair of scales there, obviously toilet, they've got some robes, looks like there's a TV here. Watch TV. So you've got the full length mirror here, and opposite is a closet with wall safe. Looks quite a good size actually, that. Not too bad. Drawers, iron board, spare pillow and duvet there. Decoration wise it's very neat and tidy. You come through to the main area, greeted with this looks like ice bucket glasses, dreaded minibar selection, side, presume that's the minibar, yes. Check out the prices later on that. Put your own items in there, it costs $25 according to that list. Let's see, so that's the front door. You swing around, it's got a king size bed. A full size mirror. TV in the centre. Sure, looks like a iPad, lights, temperature, do not disturb, makeup room. Some power sockets there, quite handy. Various drawers. Looks like a socket on the light. A writing desk thing. No idea what that is. Oh, there's your power sockets. Quite neat. And then in here, partition, you've got a desk, table, chairs, various bits and pieces. And then you've got a settee. Quite a good size. I think it's 745 square feet. Air conditioning controls. And what it has got, which someone's very excited about, is one of these. Alexa, open the curtains. Alexa, open the blinds.
Okay.
No idea what else she does. I think Lisa wants one at home, so she goes, Alexa, go walk the dog. And this is the view from the 57th floor. The best of both worlds, really. You've got view of the golf course, airport. That's obviously the Wynn. The Wynn pool's down there. Fashion show Mall. Trump Tower. Lovely view of the mountains. I imagine at night it'll be a lovely view down the strip. You can see down towards Mirage, Caesars, all the way down there. That's it, that's the Encore panoramic view. Very nice. As I said, upgraded at check-in for free. No harm in asking.